Guys, it's me, and today we are playing some tower battles. And so let's play. I have never played this game. I don't know how to play it. 10 servers, 10 towers, 3 help. Wait, no, 10, 10, 3. What's that? Towers. Count. Okay, back. Uh, Tower battles. Very weird name. Oh, yeah. Uh, so back. So I need tower. Scout. Yeah. Type. Now towers. Back, and now I need servers. Join. Join. Okay, there is still one more. Yes, starting 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Game loading. Loading quick. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Want it to be served. Survival and something else server. Castle. Yeah. Oh, what? Yeah, everybody's just choosing castle. I don't know why. Oh my god. What? That's the castle? What is this battle? Here. I'm gonna move this over here. Oh, cool. What is he doing there? We have zombies? What? I think we're not supposed to let zombies get here. Don't get in here. I think that's what we're supposed to do. Yeah, I guess that's what we do. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Can I jump to the village? Yes, I can. Oh, hello. You have my old skin. Cool. Oh, they have cooler things. Not fair. Can I go, like, on the water? Yeah. What? Like, I'm walking on it. So weird. Can I go to the top of the... There's a green flag over here. It's weird. Oh, cool. Oh, so I'm the zombies. I'm supposed to... Here. Get lots of more coming. No, I'm losing. No, I better not make any towers now. No, we need more. No, we need more. Yes. Oh no, I'm running out of blues. Sorry, you're poor. What is that guy moving? Shoot me. What? I hate these. Are these their boss? Boss? They're called boss. Okay, here's... Well, I have not enough cash. I only have 77. I really need... With 11. Oh my god, they have a lot. Max out. Tell me. 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 What do we do? Z. I'm leaving this place. It's like this guy's sending some. Oh, they're so weird. Oh, cool. Not enough. I only have 2 in my quante. What happens? Can I die if I go out of here? I think so. Yeah. Okay, I don't like this game, so I'm gonna leave game. Leave. And I'll move this back there. Tower bottles. It's the worst games. Evil YouTubers. Treelands. How would I play Meep City Girl? What's that? I'm just gonna play Meep. Is that regular Meep City? I don't know, because I play regular Meep City. No. I mean, no. No. This is my house. What? Oh, right, that was on Christmas. Okay, yes, I still have my stuff. I love this. I have some TV, I have this. Weird. No. Here. I need a bathroom sink. So where is my bathroom gonna be? No, that's my bedroom. Yeah, the bathroom was gonna be here last time, but I didn't have enough time, so right now I'm gonna put it right there. It is always like that. And bathroom sink would over here. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, now let's get room. Sofa, couch, rug. I need one of these. Wallpaper. So blank wall, flooring, tile. No, yeah. Right over here, I want a flint carpet. Flint carpet. Now let's put room. Widescreen TV. Oh yeah, here. A kitchen. Flooring. Tile floor. There. Now. Go to cancel. Who are playing then? Or go to cancel. None of them. Mutamenta. Go to. Cancel. None of them are playing. Messy thingy. Go to. Cancel. None of them are playing. Tutorama. Go to. Cancel. Like nobody's playing. Cadero. Go to. Cancel. Okay, Google, stop. Yeah. So Dan Sophia, go to cancel. Lolly Soloto, go to cancel. I have a bald friend. There's this guy with my old skin. So I'm going to sleep. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.